Welcome to Thena's channel. Today, we bring you the Denton House, an architectural gem designed by Martin Fenlon Architecture, located in the historic neighborhood of Highland Park, Los Angeles, United States. This house is a modern reimagining of a 1920s residence, blending contemporary design with timeless charm. As you can see, the exterior is wrapped in durable fiber cement siding, painted a serene green that effortlessly integrates the house into its lush surroundings. The color was thoughtfully selected by the owner's daughter, ensuring harmony between the structure and the surrounding foliage. This siding's subtle pattern nods to the Craftsman bungalows nearby, creating a seamless connection to the area's architectural heritage. The home features a clever cantilevered second floor, angled to follow the property's unique shape and maximize views. Meanwhile, the front yard boasts a vibrant, rewilded garden filled with shade trees and diverse plantings that enhance its natural aesthetic. Bathed in natural light, this cozy living room blurs the line between indoors and outdoors. The warm wooden ceiling complements lush greenery, creating a serene retreat. Nestled amidst vibrant greenery, this kitchen offers more than a cooking space, it's an immersive experience of nature and design in perfect harmony. Surrounded by expansive glass walls, the kitchen invites the lush outdoors into the heart of the home. Imagine preparing meals while sunlight streams through, filtered by the surrounding trees, or gazing at the garden's vibrant colors just a glance away. The teal cabinetry brings a pop of personality, pairing seamlessly with the warm tones of the wood-paneled ceiling and natural flooring. Above, pendant lights hang like sculptural art pieces, softly illuminating the space. The central island, with its crisp white countertop, becomes the perfect gathering spot. From its sleek lines to the integration of natural elements, the Denton House reveals a seamless balance between architecture and nature. The spacious outdoor patio, framed by expansive glass walls, offers a perfect space to relax and entertain. The wraparound greenery wraps the home, while the carefully designed hardscaping leads you through the garden, enhancing the house's flow into the outdoors. The roof deck provides an elevated view of the surrounding area, bringing together modern design and sustainability with a rainwater collection system. It's the perfect blend of tranquility and functionality, making this home a true retreat. This staircase is a beautiful blend of modern minimalism and nature-inspired design. The floating steps, crafted from warm wood, seem to hover, inviting you to ascend. This serene bedroom seamlessly blends simplicity with nature. The large window frames a lush, green landscape, creating a peaceful retreat. The minimalist furniture and soft textures enhance the calming atmosphere. This vibrant bathroom effortlessly blends bold design with a serene natural backdrop. The hexagonal tiles and rich floral wallpaper create a unique character, while the expansive window frames an inspiring view, turning everyday routines into an immersive experience with nature.